Okay. See vocabulary under animals. Okay. Alligator. Alligator. Bear. Bear. Bee. Bee. Butterfly. Crab. Crab. Dinosaur. 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 Dolphin with a D. Dolphin. Donkey. Donkey. Also the sign for stubborn. Duck. Duck. Eagle. Lobster. Rooster. Sheep. Shrimp or shrimp. Shrimp. Spider. Worm. See sign vocabulary under breakfast. Bacon. Bacon. Breakfast. Butter. Butter. Cheese. Cheese. Egg. Honey. Jam. Same like butter. Jam. Omelette. Same like egg with O's. Omelette. Pancake. Pancake. Flipping it over. Pepper. F hand. Pepper. Salt. Salt. Sauce. Sauce. Whatever it may be. Sauce. Sausage. Like sausage and eggs. Sausage. Syrup. I also use syrup. Syrup. Toast. Toast. And vanilla. I'm also giving, it's like chocolate. Caramel is like C's ending with L's. Caramel. Caramel. Vanilla and chocolate.